Welcome to Brown White Pages. I want to teach you how to publish on Facebook with your Facebook app. This is my Facebook app. I'll click on it. You go to the page which you want to publish on. Go to the page which you want to publish on. The graphic, the banner, or the picture you want to use for your post should be on your phone. So let me go to the page. Click here. Select the pages. This is the page I want to publish on. This is it. Then I'll click here where I have what's on your mind. Or you either click on the picture to start with it. You either click on photo. So let's click on photo since I have a photo. So this is what I want to publish. Select it. Move on. I have the write-up here. I have the write-up here on my phone. So let me go for it. To my Google Keep. This is the write-up. I'm going to copy it. I like the copy. I like this part. Copy. After the gap, click here where you have see something about post and paste. Once you paste, click on post. At the top right. Add the WhatsApp button. I don't want to add the WhatsApp button, so not now. Wait for it to publish. It's loading. So this, as you can see, this is now. This is now. This is the post. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, BrownWhitePages, to watch other videos. And you can also watch the video on how to publish on a laptop or computer or your PC. Thank you for watching. This is how to publish on Facebook from your Facebook app.